Hey, what's up guys? I want to make a video today sharing with you a niche that I would recommend that you actually stay away from. But before I share with you that niche, I just want to share with you my 2 print-on-demand courses that I'm selling on Gumroad. So the first one is a Merch by Amazon Masterclass. It's a step-by-step beginner's guide for mastering merch. It's only $39.99. You get 16 lessons and it's over an hour of content. I teach you a whole bunch of good stuff about how to scale your designs, cross niche, how to niche down, how to keep your account safe, how to check for trademarks, how to design styles, how to hire designers, how to find trendy niches. So a whole bunch of good stuff. This course is good for beginners or for people that are struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon. I also have one for Redbubble as well. So here's the Redbubble Masterclass. It's also $39.99. In this one though, you get 20 lessons and it's over an hour of content. Also good for people that are struggling to get sales on Redbubble and for beginners on Redbubble. Here are my credentials on Merch by Amazon. So I'm a tier 8,000 seller. I currently have over 11,000 sales and I've made over $37,000 on the Merch by Amazon platform. And if we go to my Redbubble dashboard, over the past year, I've done over $2,000 in royalties. My best month was in June, $317. So if you're interested in these courses, the link will be in the description, and I'll also have them as the pinned comment. Okay, now let's get into the content of the video. So the niche that I would recommend that you stay away from is this, where is it? Demar Hamlin. So you've probably seen in the news that this Demar Hamlin, this guy right here, he's a defensive back for the Buffalo Bills. He had actually a cardiac arrest on the Monday Night Football game against the Cincinnati Bengals. Now hopefully he is okay. Hopefully he makes a quick recovery. But you're starting to see designs already pop up, like this one right here, Pray for Demar 3, love for 3. There's another one down here as well. Now these don't have BSRs, but you know, in the next couple days you're going to see that these listings have very low BSRs, and this could be tempting for you or for people to make designs in this niche. But you know, I would recommend that you stay away from it, and there's a couple reasons. One is you can't profit off human tragedy. It's in the terms of service for Merch by Amazon. Now he hasn't passed away or anything like that, but still I would just stay away from it. Another reason to stay away from this, for me, it's just a good idea to always just stay away from or avoid using people's names and designs that can also get you in trouble. And another big one is you want to avoid infringing on professional sports teams. So like here they're using the number 3, they're using the blue color from the Buffalo Bills, the red from the Buffalo Bills. So a lot of red flags here. You just don't want to risk your account. But it's going to be tempting because there's going to be some more Buffalo Bill games in the future, and there's going to be fans that are going to want to be supporting Demar Hamlin, and so they're going to be looking for shirts like this, and you're going to see these designs with very low BSRs, and it's going to be tempting. But you always want to think long term with merch. You want to continue making that monthly passive income for the foreseeable future. And I would recommend that you avoid these type of niches, because it's just going to put your account at risk. And again, we want to make that money for as long as possible. And when you do upload designs like this, you run the risk of getting your account terminated. And once it's terminated, it's pretty much impossible to get back. So avoid this niche. If you like this kind of content, consider subscribing. I put out videos on a regular basis about trending niches, design ideas for Merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. This is my channel right here. You can see some of my recent videos, and if you're interested in those courses, check them out. Oh, and I also just started a TikTok and an Instagram, so I'll put the handles in the description. So if you want to follow me there, check me out. And that's it. All right, so thanks for watching this video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye bye.